What's the secret way of getting wealth and money? Who knows? Let's see if we can find out. Hey, here we are again. Kind of in line with yesterday's video, talking about money and wealth and that sort of stuff. What this video is about is the secret way to kind of get wealth, the secret way to kind of get money into your life. And it's probably a lot more obvious than you realise. So let's see, what's the secret way? Yesterday I recorded the Profit From Your Passion course, and even though I haven't edited it yet, it was kind of pretty much all day of talking into the camera, and I had a bit of a sore throat at the end. Now, one of the things in there I cover is talking about kind of who's your ideal customer, that kind of thing. And it's something I just wanted to sort of just touch on today, because it's ultimately the secret to getting money. Because whenever you're doing any kind of selling, if you come at sales from the fact of, here's my product, now let's see who I can sell it to. You're trying to find a customer, or find customers, or the type of person who would buy that product. That's the kind of traditional way. But what I like to do is kind of going backwards and go, rather than start with the product, start with the customer in mind and find out what they need, basically. And then once you find out what they need, you can then find the product or make the product and sell it to them. And that's basically round the other way. Now, one of my whole philosophy points is profit from your passion, and how doing something that's your passion is the fundamental basis of really everything you should do. Because if you're doing something that you're passionate about, you're going to do it regardless of whether you get paid or not, rain or shine, night or day, it doesn't matter. You just love doing it. It's something you just do. So if you then build a business around your passion, which my course is all about, plug. If you monetize your hobby, your dream, your desire, and so you can profit from your passion, then the products are going to be related to that. Now, one simple hack in this whole process is so simple, and it's so often missed. The passion is your passion. You love the passion, that's why it's your passion. That's it, simple. If you love that thing, you're not going to be the only person in the world. And even if it's super niche, there's still going to probably be a lot of people who have the same interest. Your ideal customer is basically you. So if you think about that you are your best customer, and then what would you like to buy? On how would you like to be sold to? So think about what you need, what you would like to buy, and how would you respond to ads or sales page copy and that kind of thing. And then there's your answer, because if you are the ideal customer, then you can answer this firsthand exactly what you would respond to. And so the way you could look at this, if you look at particular ads online, Facebook ads, etc., and you look at certain ads, just notice the ones that you click on and look for more information. Why is that? Why are you clicking on that ad? What's made you click on that ad and not another ad? And just make a note of it, either in your phone or something. There's something about that ad that made you click. Was it the picture? Was it the copy? Was it the sort of the emotion it maybe evoked in you? What was it? And that's the sort of thing, because you reacted, you want your customers to react. Therefore, I'm not saying copy that, but take that idea and those points, and that's the sort of thing you need to work into your business when you're promoting it, because you are your best customer. Therefore, the easy way, the secret way for the money is to sort of sell to yourself, because you know you. If you sell to yourself and it's based on your passion, you're completely 100% Gucci, because everything lines up. If you're selling some crap here just because you might make some money, you wouldn't buy it. So how can you expect to? So you've got no idea what to kind of how to approach it emotionally, from the text or anything like that. You're just kind of trying to sell some crap because you're going to get some commission from it. But you don't care about it, and that incongruency comes across, and people are like, ooh, no, I'm not buying that. And you don't, it's not a conscious thing, it's all subconscious. People don't respond to the ads, and people don't show no interest to it, and you're like, it's really weird, and you go, yeah, but it's a good product. Well, have you bought it? Have you used it? Do you buy it a lot? Is it something that you're passionate about? Likely no. And that's the reason why the people you're advertising it to aren't either, because you're kind of in the same mindset as yourself. Therefore, if you wouldn't buy it, they won't buy it. That's why it's easy, because if you have to get into the mind of other people and how they think, that's fine. That's a skill on its own, and there's nothing wrong with that. But the point is, if you're doing something that's based on your passion, then it's easy, because it's you. So one, you're going to keep doing it because you enjoy it, it's your passion. and secondly, it's easy to find the target audience because that's you. Simple. So hope you got some value from this. A bit of a short one today, but I just wanted to kind of make that point because I sort of, after recording the calls, I thought, well, yeah, I just want to kind of give a little nugget out there. But if you have, make sure you hit that like button so it's nice and blue, and subscribe if you haven't. I really do appreciate it when you do, and leave a comment. You know, are you promoting something, or have you thought about promoting something that you're not passionate about, or have you had experience with that and kind of felt, I wouldn't buy it, and surprisingly no one else buys it? Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear about it. I do reply to every comment. And yes, if you have subscribed, great, I love it, thank you so much. If you haven't, please do, and hit the bell notification so you know when I'm releasing a new video. But for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.